All right. Good afternoon, students. I hope you all good. And firstly, come and join. Okay, Riva came, I think, and Kanishka came. Good afternoon, Kanishka. And first, I think Krishnapal said. So, Krishnapal, good afternoon. Prince also said, good afternoon. Firstly, come and join, Nana, everyone. So, it takes time. Let's check first whether the audio video clarity is good or not good. So everything is good, inform to me so that we'll start the class. Whenever if it is like loading manner, if it is showing you just refresh again, then it is going to come. Okay. All right. Hemendra, good afternoon. Firstly, come and join. Let's see. Fastly come and join to the live. All good, sir. Sent message by Prince Solanki. What about remaining? So, firstly, come and join. So, what I'll do is now let us close our eyes. First, we'll pray. Then, we will start our new topic today, that is factorization. Okay, let's close our eyes. Say, okay, Kanishka also said, all good, sir. Very good. So, let's close our eyes and we'll pray first. Meanwhile, your friends can come and join because still we have 6 minutes of time. Okay. All right. Let's close our eyes. God kindly provide your knowledge and wisdom to solve our mathematics problems and our daily life problems. Thank you, God. And anyhow, one thing I have to help you all to learn, that is kindly send your last chapter exponents and powers note via WhatsApp. Means take the pictures of notebook, send via WhatsApp. So two students are already submitted. In that one is your, I hope, and the first person as a leader, Kushbu also submitted, and remaining some students are submitted. I was sent for them as a good. So I think Sundar also submitted. Right, you all also kindly submit that. Within today, at least you can submit. That will be the better. Okay, all right. Let's wait for your friends for how many minutes? I think still 4 minutes is left. We'll wait for 4 minutes, then we will start our class. Okay, Shreya Solanki said, good afternoon, sir. Yes, good afternoon, Shreya. And then next, Riva said, good afternoon previously. All good, sir, also said. And still anyone is want to say good afternoon, you can say so that let me see in that comment section. Right. So I'm not getting any reply from you all, I think. Have you all finished your lunch? Have you all finished your lunch? If you are finished, just inform to me. Okay, all right. Dimple said, good afternoon, sir. Yes, good afternoon, Dimple. All right, let's start the class. We don't want to waste our time. So, remaining can come and join later. Let's see here. So, today we are going to discuss a new chapter, that is chapter number 14, Factorization. So, I'm just going to give brief visual how the chapter is going to be. Okay, so the first we are going to discuss in this chapter what is introduction. So in introduction there are two things we are going to learn: what is the factor of natural numbers and factors of algebraic expressions. Then also what is factorization. So factorization, and in that factorization is nothing but an algebraic expression. If we are able to product of factors, that is also irreducible factor form, then we can say that as a factorization. Anyhow, that we'll discuss later. So what is factorization we are going to discuss, and then which methods are we are using to factorize given algebraic expression. And here it is: method of common factors and regrouping terms, exercise number 1, and then using the identities, exercise number 2. And in exercise number 3, we are going to discuss the division of algebraic expressions. And in exercise number 4, we are going to discuss, can you find error? So that is one of the beautiful concept. It was just they will give complete answer. You have to find where is error in that. So such a wonderful one. We have to discuss those all. So once again, understand clearly here. So today we are going to start a new chapter that name called Factorization. Okay. So in that we are going to discuss point by point. First one introduction, and then second we are going to discuss what is factorization. Thirdly, we are going to discuss methods to use to factorize the given algebraic expression. And then we are going to discuss in exercise number 1, we are going to discuss by using the method of common factors and regrouping terms how you are going to factorize. And then next, in the exercise number 2, by using identities how you are going to factorize. And in exercise number 3, you are going to discuss division of algebraic expressions. Okay. Complete answer, and you have to find out what is error in that, and you have to write correct answer. Okay. So that is you have to do with this factorization. Complete chapter is going to be ended. Okay. So these are the brief outlines which we are going to discuss. Okay, let's move on to now introduction, and we are going to discuss now what is there. All right. Now, we already discussed what are factors and all, right? So inform to your friends, firstly let them come and join. Still 15 only is there here. So firstly inform to your friends, let them come and join, and first the leaders can take the attendance. So Laksharas is present, means Laksharas can take section A attendance, otherwise Sundar can take, or section B, who is said Kushbu. If Kushbu is absent, Kanishka can take. Let's see now. Now, so we are going to discuss now in this factorization. First introduction. Factors of natural numbers. We are going to discuss now factors of natural numbers. Let's take some natural number. Let me take a natural number. So that as 30. Can I write 30 as 15 into 2? Yes, we'll write. These two we can call it as a factors. 15 and 2 are factors for 30. Okay. So 30 is one expression, that is natural number, and that natural number we can write a product of some numbers, some two natural numbers, then that is called as factors. So 15 is factor, 2 is also factor. But here it is not irreducible form. Irreducible means still we can simplify it. So irreducible, this you can remember, reducible, and another one is reducible. Now this one we can still reduce. So now what we'll do, 15, 5 threes are 15 into 2. After that, is it possible to reduce? We cannot. So this is reducible, reducible, and this is irreducible. Your understood term, what is reducible, what is irreducible. In 15 as 5 into 3, because of that reason, it is reducible form, reducible factors form, reducible factors form. And it is, here check, 5 into 3 into 2. Still, is it possible to write 5? Can I write some other number manner? No. We cannot write any number product. 3 also we cannot write any number product. 2 also we cannot write any number product. So it is called as irreducible factors form. Irreducible factors form. Clear now? Till this everyone understood? So here factors of natural as 15 into 2. and this is reducible factor form, and 5 into 3, so 15 will write 5 into 3 into 2, this irreducible factors form. That simply we can say that it is prime factorization. Prime factorization. So I hope till this everyone understood what is reducible, what is irreducible. Dimple, can you tell? And Nishita, firstly inform to me. Divyanshu, yes sir, understood. Okay, Prince said yes sir, understood. Very good. Then still anyone said, okay, you are keeping that thumb symbols. That's well and good. Okay, I was seeing everything. So now factors of natural number is this. Here reducible, irreducible. Now, can you tell for 70 in the irreducible form? 70. How I'll write 70? 7 into 10. Reducible form. Reducible form. Now, after this, we'll do something, just observe carefully. Now, 7 into 10, can I write as 5 into 2? We can write. Then this after, can I reduce it still? No. So that this is called as irreducible factor form. Factor form. Simply this again call it as which one? Prime factorization, prime factors, product of prime factors. What is product meaning? Into, okay, or multiplication. Till this everyone understood? 30 means we can write 15 into 2, and this is reducible factors form. 5 into 3 into 2, it is irreducible form. And here 70 also was written 7 into 10, and it is reducible form. And 7 into 5 into 2, irreducible form. So now I'll give for you now one question. Who is going to solve? Let me check. So 90, one of the natural number. Can anyone write which is called as reducible, which is called as reducible? So reducible means first we'll write 9 into 10, then tell to me answer. Can anyone tell what is your irreducible form? Who is going to write? Let me check who is going to give answer first. Arukshita, okay sir. Okay, today Arukshita is present. That's good. So Arukshita written 9 into 10. 5 into 2 written for the 10. Okay, then what about 9? What about 9? 9 into 10. Okay, that still you are writing 9. Okay, very good. One person written 3 into 3. That is correct. After that, 5 into 2. Very good. So here they are given clearly 9 into 10 is reducible. Reducible. Okay. Then what is irreducible form? 9 will write as 3 into 3 and 10 will write as 2 into 5. All are prime factorization is there or not? So like this prime product of prime numbers, if you are irreducible factors form. Irreducible factors form. I hope everyone understood this concept. Concept number one, factors of natural numbers understood means just like this right mark is there in your comment section, just do that. So tick mark you can keep. Check in that comment section, in that place you will find the tick mark, just keep the tick mark, then I can understand understood these factors of natural numbers. Or you can write in that place understood sir. Okay. All right. Hmm. Hmm. Very good. Tick mark written by Nishita. Okay. Next one who is Sundar. Next Ayush. Okay, so I hope you all understood this concept. If you are understood this concept, now we'll go for factors of algebraic expression. Some examples I'll take and then we'll solve. Textbook example only will take. Here it is given as 5xy plus 3x. 5xy plus 3x. What I'll do, observe carefully now. First I'll take this 5xy. How can I write 5 into x into y? I hope this already you know in the last chapter, before chapter, you already learned this. So 5xy is equal to 5 into x into y. Then 3x, how I'll write? 3 into x. 3 into x. Now, what is common in both? In both x. You found here also you found x. So now in both what is common I need to write? Again I am writing that 5xy plus 3x is equal to, in both symbol what is here? Plus, and next what is here? 3. Understood? Once again listen carefully here. First I written 5xy, and that is 5 into x into y, irreducible factor form. Then again 3x, 3 into x, again this also irreducible factor form. After that here plus symbol means add both. So when I add both, in both what is common? X is common, write first x, then what is left? 5y left, and then here 3 is left. So written in this way. This is one method. Another method also you can observe clearly. 5x, 5 into x into y plus 3x, will write 3 into x, that is equal to, here again I was round up which is common, then x first write. After writing this and this removed, then what is left now? 5y, middle what is symbol? Plus, and here what is there? 3. 5y plus 3. In this way also you can do, in this way also you can do. Whichever you feel as a easy, you can go for it. This method we can call it as regrouping terms, and this method you are call it as common factors. So both methods you got now. Method of common factors, regrouping terms. So this is about factors of algebraic expressions. So any algebraic expression is given, you need to write separately first. So then in that which is common check, then here addition is there means addition, subtraction is there means subtraction. That you have to complete. Okay. I hope everyone understood this. Okay, tick mark again giving. Okay, that's good. So if you are understood that, let's move on to the next. So now introduction place, factors of natural numbers, factors of algebraic expressions finished. Now what is factorization? Now we need to understand what is factorization. So factorization is nothing but an algebraic expression, write it as a product of factors, that is also irreducible factor form. You found here now. After this still I can find any factors? Not possible. So this is called as factorization. So what is factorization? An algebraic expression, if you are able to write it as a product of its factors, then that is called as factorization. And it has how many methods to solve? So how many methods are there to find the factors? One is method of common factors. Second one is rearranging the terms. Third one is using identities. Okay. Now we are going to solve exercise number 1 problems. Okay. Let's start exercise number 1. Till this everyone understood now? So anyhow, before going to exercise number 1, let's check whether you all understood concept or not. So I'll ask some questions, you have to give your answers. Okay? So I'll ask questions, you have to give answers. Okay, so Ashika said Okay, still you are showing that. Okay, Yashika is saying that she is not understood. Namrata and Naman Mehta also not understood. Very good. Let me explain to you once again that. See, if 5xy plus 3x, this is called as one algebraic expression. Okay. Now, this one I want to write as a product of some factors, then it is called as factorization. So let me write this 5xy will be as 5 into x into y plus, and this 3x will write as 3 into x. In both, what is common? X is common, common first x, then started by y, and then plus symbol is there, plus symbol, and here left only 3, so write the 3. So now this form we will call it as product of factors. Algebraic expression you are written in the form of product, then that is called as factorization. This process we will call it as what? Factorization. So Naman and Namrata, you all understood now. So what is factorization? You all understood now. So they will give one algebraic expression, and that algebraic expression, if you are written in the form of product of irreducible factor form, then that is called as factorization. Means that process we'll call it as factorization. Okay. So now where is Namrata and Naman? They were not said anything. Let me check here. Where are remaining? Just coming and going some students, I think, right? So let's check and inform to me. Yes, sir, understood. Divyanshu said, I said understood, and Krishnapal said, yes, sir, understood. What about Namrata and Naman? So they were said not understood, right? Let me check now. Namrata and Naman, kindly type that whether you are understood or not. If yes means, then I'll go for next. Yes, sir, understood. Harshita. Mehak said, yes, sir, understood. Okay, next. Kanishka said, yes, understood. Then what about remaining? Hmm. With whom I was asked? Okay, Naman and Namrata till now not got here. Okay, I need to get their comment. Naman and Namrata understood or not? Where are they? Okay, they were said understood, sir. Okay, let's move on to the next then. If you are understood, we'll go for now exercise number 1. Then you can understand clearly what I was said. So now factorization, exercise number 1, 14.1. Let's move on to this and then you can understand still. Exercise number 1, in this first find the common factors, find the common factors of the given terms. Just you need to find common factors. It is very simple questions. Just check now. 12x 36. They given 12x comma 36. Now observe everyone carefully. First 12x is equal to what can I write, and 36 means how can I write? Let's check now. Can I write this 6 into 2? 6 2s are 12 into x. Now here 36 we'll write it as 6 into 6, 6 into 6, then that's it, 6 into 6 we can write. Now what is common? You found here 6 is a common. You found here 6 is a common. Therefore write here common factor, common factor. Here nothing is there means last time I was explained to you all previously, so nothing is there means what is there? 1 here, 1. If you want to write that also. 6 and 1. 6 comma 1. So common factors are 6 comma 1. I hope everyone understood this. So 12x means you can 12. Can I write 6 into 2? Yes, I can write. Then x as it is, nothing is there means 1 also you can write. 36 means 6 into 1. Actually, 1 is a factor of every number. So whenever it, let's move on to the next. Second one, 2y comma 22xy. So 2y means how I'll write 2 into y. So from here onwards, you just need to remember 1 is a common factor for every number. So next one, 22xy. 22, how can I write? 11 into 2, 22, and x into y. X into common. So right here first, common factors. So now here first can mention. So this you are understood. What you need to do? Just write the number and check the any common numbers are there. Once common numbers are there, you write that. That is only common factors. So everyone understood this? First and second, if you are understood, inform to me. Okay, here Krishnapal written 2 into 11, Naman also written 11 into 2, very good. So Sundar said yes sir, understood, and Shreya said 2y, okay, 2 comma y. 2y not, yes, yes, 2 comma y. Because here common factors we are writing one by one, we are writing here, okay. So that is 2 comma y. Now let's move on to the next one. Okay, very good. So now onwards, I'm going to write, you have to write your answer. Okay. So now I'm going to write question, you have to tell your answer. So now third question I'm going to write here. So notes again, offline video when it was uploaded, that time you can pause it and write your notes. So now third question here, it is 14pq, another one 28p square q square. Let's check now what are the common factors. So here 14 we'll write it as 2 into, sorry, 7 2s are p only, q is q only. After that 28 is there, so 28 how can I write? So it is 4 into 7, right? 4 into 7, anyhow this still I can write this part, 2 into 2 into 7, 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28. If you don't know how to do this, first write 28, LCM method you can go. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, then 2 7s are 14, then 7 1s are, so 2 into 2 into 7. In this way, 2 into 2 into 7 into p square. P, how many number of times? 2 times. So now write p into p. And then q, how many number of times? 2 times. So now q into q. After this, what are your common factors? Common factors. Factors is equal to, so 2 7, right? And then next one it is, which is p is common, so p, right? Next which is common? Q is common, so q, right? Understood this? So common factors are what? 2 comma 7 comma q. Okay, so you are understood till this? Anyone having any doubt, inform to me now. And if you want to write as a single term also, this you can write it as a single term also. What you need to do, you just multiply these all and write 7 2s are 14, p into q, pq. Like this also you can write your answer, or you can show only the common factors 2 7 p q. Okay, so that is about third question. So let's move on to the fourth one. Once again, listen this third question. 14 PQ they given. I was written 14 as 2 sevens are 14, P as it is, Q also as it is. After that, 28 by LCM method I was told 2 14s are 28, 2 sevens are 14, 7 ones are 7. So instead of 28, I'll write 2 into 2 into 7. So 2 into 2 into 7. Then P square they said, that's the reason P multiplied twice. Q square said, so Q is multiplied twice. Then 2 common, so written 2. 7 commonly is there, so 7 right. P common, so that P common. Q common, so that Q common. So if you want to write as a single common factor as this, multiply this all and write answer. 2 sevens are 14, 14 PQ is your answer. This also you can write or this also you can write. Okay. Commas keep and write this when you write this common factors. If they said product of common factors, then 14 PQ. So next one, fourth one, 2x comma 3x square comma 4. Three terms are given now. So 2x is equal to 2 into x. 3x square is equal to 3 into x square means x 2 times. So now x into x. Then after that 4, write 4. 4 you can write it as 2 into 2. Now check anywhere any common number is there. Nothing is there means what is common? 1. Now you can write common factor is equal to 1. Nothing is there, then common factor is 1. So you found here 2 is common in these two terms but not in this second term. And similarly, x is common for these two terms but not with the third one. That is the reason here common factor is 1. Cleared? I hope everyone understood. If you are understood, keep that thumb symbol. Students are given one. Arukshita said one, Pradyuman said one, Krishnapal said one, Prince said one, Mehak said one, Divyanshu said one, Rituras one, Kanishka said one. For them, give clap. So whoever given correct answer for them, give clap. Right. Let's move on to the next one, fifth. Now, fifth question we will solve. So now fifth one here it is. So here given as 6 ABC and 24 AB square, 12 A square B. Let's see now what we can write with this. So now this 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6 and A into C. Next one. 24AB square means what we can write? So again it is which table? 2 into 3, 6. And 6 table when 24 will come? When 24 will come? 6 4 24. If you don't know anything, just write here 24. Go with the LCM method. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 6 are, then 2 3s are, then 3 1s are. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3 into A, so that A, B 2 times, so that B into B. Don't check your backside answer and don't give answer. So you need to do by your own. Then 12 means you'll write 2 into, so 12 here, 2 into 2 into 3. So now 2 into 2 into 3. Then square they said A 2 times. And then next B only single time, so that write B only one time. So after that check now, 2 common in all. So now write common factors is equal to 2 comma under one check 3 3 3. So all the places 3 is there, 3 is also common. Then A check, here A, here A, here also A. A is also common. And B check, here B is there, B is there, B is there. So B is also common. C, C is not common. So at last, if you want to write this as a product form, then you will write answer as 3 2s are 6 AB. So 6 AB you can write as a product. Otherwise, you say answer as 2 3 AB. Okay, that is about your fifth problem. Okay. All right. So yes, sir, 6AB, 2, 3AB, very good. Ritura's written. Krishnapal said 6AB and very good. So whoever said that as 6AB, that is correct. You can write any one answer, either comma form, or you can write multiplication and then 6AB. Okay. So that is about your fifth. Let's move on to the sixth one. So now sixth problem we are going to solve. So anyhow, this Roman we need to complete. Then let me think about leaving you all. Okay. Let's see now. Common factors we need to find. So next one here, it is your sixth question. 16x cube minus 4x square and the one 32x. Very simple now. So I'll write this as now 16 with the two table, 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 2 multiplication. 1, 2, 3, 4. X cube means 3 times multiply x, 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 x. Now, minus 4, minus keep first, then 2 2s are 4, x square, x into x. Now, 32 is there. Then again this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 twos, if you are multiplied, you are going to get 32. Let's check. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 16 twos are 32. You may ask, sir, why can't we write 4 into that? Yes, you can write that, but the problem is, why I was saying it you all for you all, prime factorization is because in your further means ninth class, 10th class, everywhere you are able to write product as in the form of prime factors. That is the reason I'm saying your answers all in the prime factorization method only. Or in other way, we can say that irreducible form only saying. Okay. So into here x is there, write x. Now let's check which are possible. 2, 2, 2. All the places 2. So now write common factors is equal to 2 and then again one more 2, then after that any other 2, no 2, next to x, x, x. After that any other common, no other common elements. So if you want to write in other answer, 2 2s are 4, x, 4x. So you can write common factors as 2 comma 2 comma x or 4x. So who is written this answer? Let me check. Okay, Arukshita written 2 into 2. After that, x1 not written. Krishnapal written 4x. And Nishita said only 4. And Divyanshu said 4x. Very good. Okay, so and then last now Arukshita written 2 into 2 comma 4. Okay, so 2 comma 2 comma x or 4x is your answer for sixth one. So you are understood that common factors how to do. So I hope you all understood this. Let's move on to the next also. 7 you solve by your own. 8th Roman I will finish. Okay. 8th question I will solve here. 7th you can do as a homework. 7th Roman is a homework for you, that is homework. 8th one we are going to solve. And let's check. Here it is. Okay. So this 8th question finished means, so I'm going to leave you all. Okay. All right, let's move on to the eighth question. Okay, second Roman also I'll finish, then I will leave you all. Not first Roman. Second Roman I want to give for you homework also. So eighth one here, it is 3x square y cube. And the one x square y square z. So let's check now. 3 is there, 3 right? X square means x 2 times multiply. A y cube means y 3 times you have to multiply. Y into y into y. Once again listen. 3 is there, 3 written. X 2 times is there, 2 times multiplication. Y 3 is 3 times you have to multiply. So now here next 10 is there. 10 we can write as 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. Prime factorization already done. Then x cube means x 3 times multiplication. Then y square means y 2 times multiplication. Then after that 6 is there. 6 will write it as 3 into 2, 6. That into x square, they said x 2 times, y square again y 2 times, z 1 time. So that write 1 time. Okay. Now let's see here what is going to be happens. So in all the places which is common, 3 here, 3 is there, but in this there is no 3, so that no common. So let me write first here common factors is equal to, so 3 cancel, then x check, here x, here x, here also x, so x comma. Next one again x, 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 x comma. Then again check any other one, y here is there. Another one more y, here one more y, here one more y. So y comma y. Any other? Not there. So now this final one answer will be x square y square. X 2 times, so that x square, y 2 times, so that y square. So x square, if you are written, that is correct, or x comma y comma y. Written? Okay. Divyanshu written x comma y, and Arukshita said yes sir. Then Namrata Naman written x comma y, and Divyanshu Solanki written x square y square. Very good. So x square y square Krishnapal written. Rituraj also written x comma y. Yes sir, understood. So this first Roman, everyone understood? Anyone having any doubt? In this first Roman, anyone having any doubt, inform to me now. If there is no doubt, just keep the thumb symbol, then I can understand. Writing still. Okay. Which one that is 4 comma x? Okay, you are saying about which question? Now I'm getting that 4 comma x and that all. Okay, maybe mine, it was lately getting comments here. Okay, here I'll see. Okay. Okay, everyone said understood, sir, and kept thumb symbols. No doubt. Very good. So if you are not having any doubt, let's move on to our next Roman and we'll finish Roman, then we'll close this session. Next Roman, it is factorize the following expressions. Now algebraic expressions we got. So I think now some 10 minutes I'm going to take. After the 10 minutes I'll leave you all. Okay, right. So now here it is, second one, 7x minus 42. And now here how we'll write 7 into x minus 7 table 42 will come table when 42 will come. 7 table when 42 will come. Give your answer. Very good. Prince Solanki is given first answer 6. Yes. So 7 into 6, right? Now in both what is common? 7. So first write 7. Then what is left? Those right. Here left one is x and here minus symbol. Then here 6. Completed your answer. That's it. In magic, isn't it? See here, very simple. 7x we written as 7 into x minus. Here 7 is there, so that 7 table 42 will come on a check. 7 6 are 42. In both places 7 common. Then what is left? Here x left. Here minus symbol is there, minus symbol. 6 is there, 6. Completed answer. That's it. So that is about your second first one. Okay, so you all understood that. Very good. So it's a magic. Okay, let's move on to the second one now. 6p minus 12 cube. Again, see, nice question it is. So you tell to me answer what is that? So 6p as it is 6p means 6 into p minus 6 table when 12 will come 2 times. So 6 into 2 then into cube. Now in both what is common? So you found here 6, 6. So write 6 common. What is left? Write that P as it is P minus minus 2Q 2Q. Completed answer. Once again observe 6p we written as 6 into p minus in 6 table when 12 will come 2 times. So 6 into 2 then q as it is. In both you found 6 as common. First write 6 then p here minus symbol minus 2 there 2q written. Finished answer. Understood now? If you are understood, understood means just keep the thumb symbol. Okay, let's see. Anyhow, I'm unable to find your laughs and those all. So keep that laughing symbol, everyone. Now, if you are understood, keep that laughing symbol. Then I let in classroom means I'll find you all. You'll laugh a lot. Okay, let's go for this second. Second, I hope you are finished. Let's move on to the third question now. So third question we'll solve now. Very good. Okay, Divyanshu kept, Prince kept, okay, Riva kept, okay, Riva is not laughed. Okay, Sundar laughed, Arukshita laughed, Harshita laughed, okay. All right, okay, Kanish, Krishnapal, okay, Sundar, okay, Rituraj, okay, Arukshita again laughed. What, tongue also keeping out and then laughing Arukshita? Very good. Kanishka laughing, very good. All right. Laughing is very important for the life. All right. Let's move on to the next one. Next one is a third one. It is 7a square plus 14a. Again, one more simplest problem. 7a square will write as a into a, then plus here observe now 7 table when 14 will come 7 twos are. So write 7 twos are into A. In both places what is common now? 7A is there. So 7A also common. 7 common. A also common. That means 7A common. Once again listen carefully. 7a square written as 7 into a plus 14 means 7 into 2 into a. In both what is common now? 7 into 7 and a. That is the reason 7a written. Then what is left now? A is there, a as it is, plus is there, plus as it is, and now here 2 is there as it is 2. Simple. So these are the tick marks. So you just like playing manner you can solve the problems. So next one, fourth one, after that minus 16z plus 20z cube. 16 and 20, which table you are going to get? Fourth table you are going to get. So now minus 4 fours are 16. 4 fours are 16. Here z is there, so z right. Next plus 4 table when 20 will come, 4 5s are 20. Then that into z cube is there, so z into z into z. So very simple question. Once again, understand clearly. Here minus is there, minus written. 16 means 4, 4s are 16. Then Z is there, Z written. Plus symbol is there, plus symbol. Then 4 table when 20 will come. 4 5s are 20. Then Z cube is there. 3 times Z you have to write. After that check what are the common. 4, 4 common. Then Z, Z is common. From this, what you understood? 4Z is common. So 4Z you can common. Here 4 and Z. So 4Z common. After common that, what is here symbol? Minus. First write minus. And what is here? 4 is there. Write the 4. And what is sign here? Plus. Write the plus. And what is here? Any number is there? Yes, 5 is there. So write the 5. Then Z how many times is there? 2 times. Write Z square. Finished. Once again, listen clearly here. So after expansion of this, you check now which are common. 4 is common, Z is common. So 4Z written out. Then whichever left that you have to write. Minus 4, written minus 4. Your plus is there, plus 5 is there, 5. Z 2 times is there, that's the reason Z square. I hope you all understood this fourth one. Anyone having any doubt? Of fourth. Here Shreya written as 5. Okay, next another one Z square. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. If you are no doubt. Yes, sir. Understood. Okay. Okay, if anyone having the doubts, what you need to do is just go for the offline video. So then download it and then pause where you are not understood that place. Pause, again revise it. You can understand clearly. Okay, let's move on to the next. Here 10 problems are there. I am going to solve one more problem and 5 more I am going to give as a homework. So now fifth question, let's see what is there in the fifth. Fifth is 20L square M plus 30 ALM. Very simple question it is. So 30 and 20, which table you are going to get? 20 and 30, which table you are going to get? 10 table. Very simple it is. So 10 into 2, then L square means L into L, M means M. 10 table when 30 will come 3 times. And A you can write, L you can write, M you can write. Now 10 common, L common, M common. Any other is common? No. So now 10 LM, 10 LM, 10 LM. Then what is left? 2L and here sign plus 3A. Finished answer. That's it. It's very, very simple. Just concentrate and understand it. Okay, very good. So 10 LM written answer. Yes, 10 LM is common. Sundar written. Dimple written 10 into 3. Okay, still you are in that. Okay. I said, Ayush, once again listen carefully. If you are not understood, understand here once again. In which table 20 and 30 will come? 10 table. So 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30. After that, L square means L 2 times multiply. M one time only is there, so one time write. After that, here 30 means 10 into 3 written into A is there, A as it is, L is there as it is, M is there as it is. Now in both what is common? 10 is common, then L is common, M is common. So that is the reason all together 10 LM. 10 LM. After that, what is left here? 2L. Then here symbol plus. And what is left here? 3A. So then answer finished. So I hope you all understood. LM. Yes, sir, understood. Well and good, Prince said. Okay. Hmm. Why we did not wrote 5 at the place of 10? Very good, Krishnapal Singh. Okay, Krishnapal is asked one good question is that, sir, why we are not used here 5 means here actually not required that when I was explaining for you all, I was said for you all prime factorization method. So here I was just taking only common factors. Okay, that is the reason I was not mentioning that 5. If you want to write 5 into 2 again, here also 5 into 2. Again, when you common, you get 10 LM only. Let's see whichever you are asked. In that way, again check whether we'll get answer or not. 10 means we'll write 5 into 2, that into 2, into L, M plus. And this also 5 into 2, into 3, into A, into L, into M. Now check carefully. 5 common, 2 common, and then next L common, M common. Again same only. 5 2s are 10, L, M. 10, L, M. That's it. After that, what is left? 2L plus, and then next here 3A. Finished answer. However, answer will be the same only. But I was said for you all right in the product of prime factorization. The reason behind that, your ninth and 10th grade, you are going to solve the problems by using prime factorization method only because of that reason. Okay. All right. That is about your problem number 5. I hope you all understood. Let's move on to the next. So now ask me in the 6th and 7th which problem you want, and 8th, 9th, 10th which problem you want. Firstly, 6th and 7th which one you want, and 8th, 9th, 10 which one you want. I hope you all having textbook. From that you can tell to me. 6th and 7th which problem do you want? So remaining you have to do as a homework. Which one you want? 6th, 7th, which problem you want? 6th and 7th. Okay, 7th said by all the students, so let me write that 7th one then. Okay, 7th is a square minus 15b square plus 20c square. Now these all will come in which A minus, anyhow here check A square, this is B square, this is C square. So no need to write A into A also, but if you want you can write A into A minus 15 means 5 3s are 15, B into B plus, then 20 means 5 4s are 20. So 5 4s are 20. So then that is C square means C into C. Now check in all what is common. Here 5, 5, 5. That's it. No other common element. So 5 you can write minus 3b square plus 4c square. That is your final answer. Understood this? Anyone having doubt? Ask me now itself. 5 is the common, not the 10 table, because here it is every number will come only in the 5 table. So 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. A square we written as A into A, B square B into B, C square C into C. Now, all the places you find 5 as a common, 5 right? Then 2 as it is, A into A square minus 3 as it is, B into B square plus 4 as it is, C into C square. Now 8 9 10 which one you want? 8 9 10 which one? Okay, 10 you are asking. Okay, 10th question I am going to explain now. 10th one is that ax square y plus bxy square plus cxyz. Very simple question you asked. So now this a into x square, x into x, y plus b into x into y square means y into y plus what is common in all check? X is common, then y is common. Any other? No other element is common. So now x, y common first because x, y is common in all. So x, y written. Then what is left? Ax, ax. Here by plus here cz. So your answer is xy into ax plus by plus cz. That's it. Very simple. Everyone understood this? Anyone having still problem to me? Yes, xy is common. Then we return ax plus by plus cz. Still any problem you want in this 8th and 9th? Do you want any problem? Tell to me. Okay, not required. That's all. Very simple. Very good. Okay. So if that the case, then let us close this session here. All right. May God bless you all.